How to reset tire pressure warning light tips in Mazda CX-5, 2013-2018 easy and quick fix. Watch the video step by step. Check the pressure of all tires and start the engine. The tire pressure warning light stays on when the engine is started. I will show you how to reset Mazda CX-5 tire pressure warning light. Press and hold the set tire pressure switch button on the right side of the steering wheel to reset the tire pressure light. Press and hold the pressure switch until its pressure warning light flashes and reset, then release the switch. Check the tire pressure warning light, it resets easily. Thank you very much for watching the video.